All right, guys, here we are inside our Can-Am Defender to show you the up close some of the features of the new Hoppe Audio Mini. We're real excited to bring this to you. So for $800, you get a lot, and in that $800, you come with a sealed unit, completely assembled, and you get it out of the box. It's going to look just like this, probably a little cleaner, as this one's been outside a little bit. But it comes with the Kicker KMC2 head unit, so you've got AM, FM, and Bluetooth. So whatever way you want to listen to any music or whatever it is that you want to listen to, games and such, if you're in remote areas, you have access to both, which is a really nice option. This unit powers 4 Kicker 6-inch speakers, fully marine grade, capable of being out in years of outdoor rugged use. So in the whole unit is completely sealed. So you should get many, many years of this product working great and just years of listening to your music however it is that you want to listen to it. The other thing about it, it's got 2 powder coated brackets. It'll come like that. They're different for both either the Can-Am and or the Polaris at this time, and you just bolt them up. And then there's the harness. You just snap on the connector on the back side of this assembly, run it down the A-post, and it runs up to the hood just right on the firewall, and it's true plug and play. It just snaps right in there. The head unit has full equalizer capability, so you're able to adjust the sound all the time to whatever it is that you're listening to for whatever. So one other great standard feature is the dome light. It's great to have. There's not a lot of lights inside here that continue to work at night, so if you're out riding in the evenings or whatever, it's always annoying having to pull out your phone, use the light. Here you go. You got a dome light right there, fully functional, bright. Won't necessarily blind you, but it'll show you anything you need to see inside your cab. It's just a good option to have. So it's a great product. And for $800, you get full sound, light, plug and play. It's very easy. Get to retain the use of your roof, windshield, doors, any of those features that you were using will work right there with it. We're going to continue to develop new things. Right now, the Audio Mini is only available for the Polaris Ranger and the Can-Am Defenders. But we have more in works. We're working each and every day right now on some new ones. Some of them will look just like this, like the Hoppe Audio Mini. We'll just have different adapting brackets for the different manufacturers. Some are going to be some different shapes because the cages are considerably different, and we're doing those, so we're tooling for those. We've got more audio shades in development right now, so be on the look. Got some new things we've never offered before about to come out. To get these products and to keep up to date, watch us on social media. Continue to watch us on our website, hoppeindustries.com. Watch all of our social channels. Watch Facebook and Instagram. These are also available at Parts Unlimited. So any of those, they keep these in stock. You can contact your local dealer. Just go on the web and find your closest dealer. As always, we want to say thanks for watching. We're very grateful for you guys watching, staying tuned to our products. We're excited. We're passionate about the power sports industry and what we do. We love what we do. We love making great products. We love our partners like Kicker and Parts Unlimited and the people that we work with to do these things. Just thanks for watching.